You've seen this, right? Your phone goes from 20% to 80% slowly. But 80% to 100% feels even slower or drains weirdly fast after that. What if I told you your phone is actually lying to you after 80%? Most people think battery percentage is a simple number, like fuel in a tank. More percentage is equal to more power. But that's not how lithium-ion batteries work. Your phone isn't showing real charge. It's showing a controlled illusion. Inside your phone is a lithium-ion battery. And these batteries hate being at 100%. Why? Because high charge is equal to high stress. When your battery crosses around 80%, your phone intentionally slows down charging. This is called trickle charging. It protects your battery, but it also makes it feel slower. Think of it like filling a balloon. At first, easy. But when it's almost full, you slow down or it might burst. Your phone is doing the same thing. It's being careful near the top. Now here's the part nobody talks about. After 80%, your battery also drains faster. Not because it's weak, but because your phone is recalibrating usage. At higher charge levels, voltage is higher, heat increases, background processes become more active, so your phone starts balancing performance and safety. That's why many modern phones now have features like charge only to 80%, because staying between 20% and 80% actually extends battery lifespan significantly. So if your phone feels weird after 80%, it's not broken. It's actually protecting itself. And ironically, keeping it at 100% all the time is what slowly kills your battery. So next time your phone hits 100%, ask yourself, is it fully charged? Or just pretending to be? Follow for more things your devices don't tell you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.